How to spend money more mindfully. Did you know that many people can't remember what they spent a large portion of their money on just a few months ago? Think about it. Have you ever checked your bank balance and wondered, wait, where did all my money go? If yes, you're definitely not alone. But what if I told you that you could spend money without guilt, without regret, and actually feel happier about every rupee you spend?
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Faryal Rashdi, and today we're talking about a life-changing skill that schools rarely teach us: mindful spending. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's learn how to make our money work for our happiness instead of disappearing mysteriously every month. First of all, what is mindful spending? Mindful spending simply means spending your money intentionally. Instead of buying things on impulse, you make conscious decisions based on what truly matters to you.
It's not about being cheap. It's not about never having fun. It's about spending on things that genuinely improve your life while avoiding purchases you'll later regret. Let's start with tip number 1. Prepare your mindset. Before spending money, ask yourself a simple question. What actually makes me happy? Maybe it's traveling. Maybe it's spending time with friends. Maybe it's reading books. Maybe it's learning new skills. Now compare those priorities with your spending habits.
Are you spending money on the things you value most? Or are you spending it on random purchases that barely make you happy? Taking a few minutes to reflect can completely change the way you use your money. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video and want more content about personal growth, productivity, and smart life skills, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more content like this. Now let's move on to tip number 2. Choose experiences over things. Research has shown that experiences often make us happier than material possessions. Why? Because experiences give us something to anticipate. Then, we enjoy the experience itself. And afterward, we keep the memories for years. Think about your favorite memories. Are they about a shirt you bought? Or are they about a fun trip, a celebration, or a special day with family and friends? Most people remember experiences far longer than products. So the next time you're planning to spend money, consider investing in memorable experiences instead. Tip number 3. Buy things that truly add value. Not every purchase is bad. Sometimes spending money is exactly the right choice. The key is asking, will this improve my life? For example, a warm coat that makes winter comfortable, a quality backpack you'll use every day, or a meaningful decoration that reminds you of happy memories. If a purchase adds value, comfort, or meaning to your life, it's probably worth it. But if you think you'll forget about it next week, it might be better to leave it on the shelf. And finally, tip number 4. Create spending goals. Most people have saving goals, but very few people have spending goals. Here's what I mean. Imagine you want to go on a trip with friends. Open a savings account and name it something exciting like dream vacation or friends reunion. Every time you save money, you'll feel closer to your goal. Instead of thinking, I'm losing money by saving, you'll think, I'm building something I truly care about. This makes saving easier, more fun, and much more meaningful. At the end of the day, mindful spending isn't about restricting yourself. It's about freedom. The freedom to spend money on things that genuinely matter.